Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to your English journey. This is not just practice. This is a path. A path to confidence. A path to connection. A path to remembering English forever. You may have tried many things. Books. Apps. Videos. But still, the words disappear. It's okay. You're not alone. And you are not broken. Say with me, I am here to grow. I believe in myself. My English gets stronger every day. Let's take a deep breath. Together. Inhale, exhale. Let's begin. Why we forget words. Have you ever forgotten a word right after you learned it? Maybe yesterday you studied a new word. And today it's gone. You feel disappointed, frustrated, even angry. But the truth is, forgetting is natural. Our brains forget what they don't feel, what they don't repeat, what they don't use. So today, we will feel the words. We will use them. We will speak them. And most importantly, we will remember them. Repeat, I forget because I don't connect. I remember what I love. I remember when I feel. Shadowing, everyday actions. Let's practice common words. Wake up. I wake up every morning. I wake up with energy. I wake up to a new day. Eat. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I eat with peace. Walk. I walk outside. I walk with calm steps. I walk and breathe the air. Work. I work with purpose. My work matters. I do my best. Rest. I rest when I need it. Rest is not weakness. I rest and I rise again. Say these lines slowly. Speak with emotion. Let your voice live in the words. Story shadowing, a day in my life. Today, I woke up at 6 a.m. The room was quiet. The sun was soft. I opened the window. The wind kissed my face. I smiled. I made tea. I sat on the floor. I took one slow sip. The warmth filled my chest. I picked up a book. The pages were soft. The words felt like music. I read. I imagined. I felt the story. I forgot the time. Then I began to work. I turned on my laptop. I wrote. I thought. I created. I love mornings like this. Slow. Simple. Beautiful. Repeat with me, I opened the window. The wind kissed my face. The tea was warm. The words felt like music. I created something new. Emotion words, vocabulary plus shadowing. Happy. I feel happy when I understand. A smile is my strength. I carry happiness inside. Sad. Sometimes I feel sad. It's okay to cry. Sadness is part of life. Hopeful. I feel hopeful today. I believe in better days. Hope lives in my heart. Calm. I breathe in calm. I speak with peace. I let calm guide me. Strong. I am strong. Even when I'm tired. Even when it's hard. Speak these lines slowly. Add your own emotion. Own your voice. Shadowing mini dialogues. A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm good. A little tired, but happy. A. Did you sleep well? B. Yes. I had a peaceful night. A. What did you eat today? B. I had eggs and toast. And a cup of tea. A. What are you doing now? B. I'm learning English. With a podcast. Repeat both sides. Slowly. Practice voice changes, emotion, connection. Grammar in action, emotional usage. Past tense, I walked to the store. I smiled at a stranger. I felt happy. Present continuous, I am learning English. I am speaking slowly. I am feeling strong. Future tense, I will remember this. I will keep going. I will speak with confidence. Let the grammar live in your voice. Let your feelings shape your speaking. Affirmations for confidence. Repeat after me, I am not afraid. I am learning every day. My English is improving. I speak with courage. I remember more and more. I believe in my voice. Repeat again. Louder. Stronger. Make it real. Daily verbs in context. Brush. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush slowly and carefully. Cook. I cook for myself. I cook with love. Listen. I listen to podcasts. I listen to my heart. Write. I write every day. Writing helps me think. Relax. I relax after work. I relax with music. Emotional story time, the day I didn't give up. There was a day when I wanted to give up. Everything felt hard. Heavy. Dark. But then I stopped. Breathed. Closed my eyes. And I said to myself, just try one more time. Just speak one more sentence. Just take one more step. And I did. And that changed everything. You can do it too. One step. One word. One try. You are strong. You are growing. You are remembering. Reflection, mindfulness. Let's slow down. Let's reflect. Today, you listened. You spoke. You felt. That is powerful. Say with me, I am proud of myself. I learned something today. I will keep going. Thank you for trusting this time. For giving your voice a chance. Come back again tomorrow. I'll be here. Until then, keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Goodbye, everyone.